We are really impressed and happy with this blade sharpener. Here's a quick demo and some things we really liked about it. This is everything that came in the set. It came with the tools needed to switch the disc out, 2 different angle holders, foot pads, and lots of extra sandpaper, 60 and 180 grit. Putting it together was super simple. All you needed to do was add the disc grinder. Disc grinder had 180 grit on one side and 60 grit on the other. My husband really liked that the machine wasn't big, it was compact, and it was easy to use. And even though it's very simple, it is very powerful. There is a speed adjuster. We really like that everything is really easy to change and adjust. It's also really simple to change out the angle holders.
Also has variable speeds. Very quiet. Here we got the coarse side. Here we got the fine side. Here we have a old blade off a lawnmower. Show you how it's going to sharpen that. I have the 45-degree adjusters here. You also come with 30-degree adjusters. Depends what pitch you want on your blades.
So we were definitely very impressed with how quickly and how well this worked. With just a few swipes, it was sharpened very well. And here you can see the results. It took no effort at all. It was done quickly and efficiently.
Here's a finished product. Sharpened both sides. They sharpen really fine and really good. Here I'll be sharpening this sword up. See, it's all deaned up. I have the 30-degree angles on here right now.
The angle holders are super helpful and can fit a variety of blades. This was gifted to us, and if you're looking for something like this, this is a really great product. Super easy and great.